I'm just taking a picture, weirdo.
Ooh, damn it. That's like, would have got that lightning.
That would have been really cool.
Didn't.
Oh, there it is.
Hey there, humanoids. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at Portofino Bay Hotel at Universal Orlando Resort. We're going to have a 2-night stay, maybe take a dip in the pool. So, why don't you grab your bags? We'll give you a room tour and head right this way. All right, as soon as you walk in the main lobby, you got luggage services to your right. And check in a little further to your right. There's a courtyard straight ahead, and we'll leave the destination Universal desk there for all your ticketing needs. One of the things I like about the Portofino lobby is they always have cold water ready to go. Some with lemon, some with lime. Let's give it a little taste here. Ooh, that water's so good it's evil, or evil, as in the fruits of the devil. Ching ching. All right, I think we're just about checked in. Let's head down the hallway and see what it's all about. All right, it's time for the room tour. Walking in, you have a coffee maker, an ice bucket as soon as you enter in. There I am, Mr. Nooks and Crannies. And we have a 2-queen with a bay view. Now, there is construction going on here at Portofino Bay, so you will see that throughout, including our view. There I am again. Here is the bathroom, and man, much more luxurious than Cabana Bay. Now, of course, the price point reflects that. We've got his and her sinks. We've got, of course, their own brand of toiletries, plenty of towels. There is a hair dryer, additional storage there for all of your bathroom needs. Oh, there is a bathtub and a shower, and you can open up the doors from the bathtub area. Fancy schmancy. There is the shower, walk-in shower. Very nice. There is the commode, as my mother likes to call it. I call it town hall, where all the business gets done. If you know, you know. So, theming the Portofino. Here is main closet when you walk in. Looks like it opens from both sides. In here, got your ironing board and iron. There's a safe to keep your things safe. There is a luggage rack and hangers and additional blankets and pillows up there. Now, we didn't film before they brought everything up, so excuse our stuff in the background, but there's the 2 queen beds. Very spacious and comfy. Of course, there's the television. And the Fiji waters, don't touch them unless you want to pay $7 a pop. And then we've got in here the drink cooler. It's not big enough to be an actual refrigerator, so it's a drink cooler. Still gets the job done. And this pulls out as well. Of course, you got plenty of storage throughout. Yeah, we'll take a look at this center area between the 2 beds there. There's the alarm clock. We've got the pad and pin. Telling you again about the exterior renovations. Scheduled from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. to include decorative paintings, drapes, maybe clothes for additional privacy. Oh, okay, there you go. There's a phone. You make phone calls on that. That's all you can do. And some fancy lighting fixtures. And this area, it looks like it's almost like the deluxe. So we might have got a slight upgrade without them letting us know. It's got the little dining or desk area there. Excuse all of our stuff there. Lighting on top of the desk and two chairs. More theming to Portofino, Italy. And there's an additional chair and ottoman over here. Now, normally I'd say it's all about the view, but they are under construction right now. But it is a view of the lagoon or the bay area. It's here for Halloween Horror Nights primarily. So it's not a big deal. It's not a deal at all, in fact. Of course, we are staying at the team member rate or the red carpet rate. So we got a great deal on the room. No complaints from me. But they're looking out onto the bay. I wonder if this would normally have a pet. No, I guess not. There's the roof right there. And the water taxi is just down there. That'll be very convenient for our Halloween Horror Night needs. But, yeah, there it is. Our 2-queen room here at Portofino Bay. Say hello, Amy.
Hello, Amy.
Nice. All right, now that we've unpacked and checked out the room, it's time to head down to the pool and catch some rays. Before there are no rays. All right, so the food options here are going to be Trattoria del Porto, Sal's, The Thirsty Fish, and BJ. We're here on the 5th floor. Here we are at the beach pool. We'll try to enjoy a little time here before the rains come, as they tend to do here in Central Florida, and signaling whenever we're trying to go to the pool. But alas, nice big area here. There's a splash pad, zero depth entry, and a slide. Alright, it's time to take a dip. Appreciate this zero entry pool for folks that have complications. And again, they are doing construction here at the time, so that should be over by December, they said, hopefully. Some old rock work. And overlooking the water slide. There's tons of cool feeling here, like ruins of some sort. And looks like the walkway goes around and under the slide there. Got some cool rock work. Check it out. We'll get over there. Miss Amy enjoying her time at the pool.
Pool does get up to 5 foot deep. One of the deeper pools here at Universal Orlando Resort. Going through the tunnel of the rock work here. That would be part of the slide and the stairs going up. Looks like you're walking under a bridge over here. And I believe it is an actual bridge, so looks like it's an aged bridge, though.
Scappo via dalla città, scappo via da questa realtà e vado a cercare il mare, visto che tu non ti fai trovare. Preferisco gli shots agli screenshot, urlare come Munch in una notte di Van Gogh. Con gli amici so che fai finta di niente, ma di nascosto poi mi tasi ADM. Non mi va, non mi va di richiamarti, non mi va, non mi va di controllare se tra noi è tutto finito. Allora io mi farò un altro mojito. Non mi va di richiamarti, non mi va, non mi va di controllare.
All right, we were able to catch a little bit of pool time before the rains came. So now we're gonna get cleaned up and had to get some dinner and check out the rest of the resort a little bit.
Sabbia bagnata, è finita la tempesta, la notifica che vibra nella tasca e la tua voce che mi vibra nella testa, i miei BFF che gridano yes! Preferisco gli shots agli screenshot, urlare come Munch in una notte di Van Gogh. Con gli amici so che fai finta di niente, ma di nascosto poi mi tasi l'ADM. Non mi va di richiamare.
Now, there is construction going on here, has been for almost a year, but they're finishing up. We are staying here at the beginning of September, and looks like they're going to add some additional outdoor seating, covered seating there, and refurbish some of the stores here in the harbor. Beyond that, they're doing exterior work to the wings with the hotel rooms and placing the windows and Getting her all nice and ready for Epic Universe in 2025. Excuse me, Mr. Duck. Are you subscribed to Mr. Nooks and Crannies? Oh, no, you'd rather not speak today? Okay. On the watch list, Featherly. It's time to grab a bite to eat. Let's go check out Sal's Market Deli. All right, we got the meat and cheese calzone and the antipasta salad there. So far, both of them delish. Yeah, Sal's. All right, now that we've had some proper dinner over at Sal's, let's go into the gelateria and get us some ice cream, shall we? Well, we went from the depths of hell one night to eating ice cream in Italy the next. Are you living the dream, Amy, or is the dream living you?
I'm living that dream.
You damn right. You damn right. That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, living la dulce vida. We'll see you next time, Movenoids. Hey, like and subscribe and tell a friend.
Un altro sole cade giù, ti guardo e non so più chi sei, dietro al sorriso mi nascondo la mia vita che